Choosing a warehouse is the easy part. The connection between your store and that warehouse is what actually decides whether orders ship on time or sit waiting for somebody to paste a spreadsheet. So here is what fulfillment integration actually means. It is the connection that carries an order from your store to the warehouse that ships it and carries tracking numbers back the other way. When that connection is configured, a paid order lands in your partner system within minutes and the tracking number appears on its own. Now, two partners can quote you nearly identical pick and pack rates and still leave wildly different amounts of daily work on your desk. These 5 questions surface that difference before you commit, so bring them to the first real conversation rather than the last one. Question 4 is the one merchants skip and then regret. Every integration drops an order eventually, usually an address that will not validate or an item code that does not match. What matters is whether you can resend it, because if the only recovery path is rebuilding that order by hand, you will be doing that on your busiest days. Multi-warehouse routing sounds like an enterprise problem right up until it is yours. Most stores add a second location for a very ordinary reason, like a bulky line that ships from the manufacturer or a coast-to-coast split to cut transit time. Leave the settings alone and an order simply goes to the nearest center that can ship everything on it. And if your partner is already connected, the work is configuration rather than development. Which partner you want depends on who is holding your inventory, whether that is a warehouse shipping on your behalf, the software your own building runs on, or a label platform when you pack the boxes yourself. Switching partners is disruptive, in a way that switching shipping software is not, because inventory physically moves. So run both distribution centers in parallel for a few weeks, clean up your addresses first, and test a real order for every product family rather than one order total. The last one costs the most to ignore, because a migration in October means learning a new partner's failure modes during the weeks you can least afford it. Take those 5 questions into your next call and ask for specifics. You can see the fulfillment partners already connected to UltraCart at ultracart.com.